I'm going to do a video on testing the potentiometer on this guitar. I was going to connect my leads, set it to ohms resistance. Now I'm going to connect it from one side to the other. This is the tone one. The volume one's there. I think the volume one just is like a variable. Well, potentiometers are variable resistors. It just controls how much signals sent through. And I think the tone ones dump some of the frequencies from the guitar, pick up to earth. So we just gotta measure the resistance of them anyway. Should be, these are 500k pots, so there you go. So 500, 0.5 mega ohms. I'll go up and down. So you got from 0 ohms all the way up to, well, it's 0.43, but there's a certain tolerance. I don't know what the tolerances is, but usually about 10 or 20%. So that one looks pretty good. So I'll test the capacitance of it as well. So I'll go into capacitance mode. These are usually 0.47. I think there is other sizes, but it's written on the side anyway there. This one's got a 47 on it. And again there's tolerances, so it only has to be close. So 51 nanofarads, that's pretty close. So that's it. Do that on all your pots and all the capacitors that are connected.